Previously on Lost.
This is the beginner loop because it would be hard for us to be more beginners. Oh shit. Noob. Take your tie downs off, you dummy. And this is a lot of mud. A lot more than I was hoping for, to be honest. If I stand up, I can seriously direct airflow directly into my scrotum. I really think you should go first. Like, I want to see you. We can trade off if you want. This will be a lot nicer when it's not so muddy. But this guy. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Oh. This guy. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Oh. Oh. Put my foot down, my strap popped. Oh. Oh. All right, good. Yes! Fucking A. Finally happened. Oh. I shouldn't have put my foot down. Good news is, brake's fine. All right, I'm the virgin now. Right, here will be a great place to get back on. So what'd you do? It slid sideways, put my foot down. The strap came off. Look, both boots actually. I should have just gassed it, but I didn't. Hey. Oh, the lever's okay, but it's definitely come up a little. Yeah. Nice. So it's there. So funny, I saw that, I started to go in that hole and I was like, nope, I don't want to fucking do this. Now I know. Fuck, dude, this is exhausting. Fucking easy trail my anus. If it wasn't muddy, it wouldn't be that bad, probably. Yeah, the mud kind of hides the spots. Neutral. Not as useful. I don't know how I got into neutral. I must have clicked it. But I thought I was spinning. I don't know what the hell you were doing. Are you not going down the right side? Well, I think that this boot already saved me from a twisted ankle on that get off. I'm going to tell my wife that for sure, whether it's true or not. Yeah, getting through some shit. Okay. Keep the throttle down up that hill. Woo! Oh, I'm down. Sideways. Kill switched it before I hit the ground though. Back end got loose. I followed your advice. Also put the brights on again. That's funny. I got like this. I don't think I was recovering from that. Fuck, these boots are nice. Yeah, I'm loving these. I'm gonna walk it up. Yeah. Whoa! Without any weight on it, it sucks, huh? Your front tire's on a rock, so you take a little bit to get over it. Pick up your feet. That's what happened before. Slide sideways. That was that root. Oh, skid plate. Really? Nice. Feels like it. Fuck, man. There's a little dent on that rock. I fucked that rock day up. This is physically challenging. You're not kidding. To a level I was not expecting. I think doing it seated is actually harder. These tires stuck on this mud. I believe it. This is not easy. This trail is not easy. No. Honestly, I'm losing confidence a little. I gotta quit falling off. That's what happened there. Well, I mean, I got sideways, but I didn't try to ride it out either. This trail's fucking stuck. They're just tore up. Oh my god. Okay. I don't like the sound of that. Oh, nice line, nice line.
That was about perfect, I think, line-wise.
Whew, clutch control. That wasn't good, but it helped. I need to stop looking in front of me. That'll help. I mean, like right in front of me and start looking farther ahead.
Yeah, line choices. I think it helps with balance too.
Just like steering a regular bike. Oh, god damn it. Fucking rut. I'm right up against this thing too. Hey, guess what?
What?
Ass end slid out. I'm down again. I did not think I would fall 3 times on the fucking beginner trail. And the brights are on again.
That is fucking weird, man.
I'm sure I'm just hitting it as I come off. This isn't even a hard spot.
Well, if your confidence is shaking a little bit, it doesn't take much to let go.
That's slow speed control. Gotta work on it.
You need tires.
I need tires.
I don't know if I'd come back. These tires are fucking awesome as far as I can tell.
It's funny, I can't get any traction when I turn. I have to go in a straight line.
Yeah. My back end starts to slip, and then I just kind of let it, and it seems to want to catch.
No, I fishtail every time. Every time.
Oh, get some.
Thank God this thing does well down low. I'm just lugging it along right now.
This one doesn't like to lug much.
How is this trail not over yet? Well, the good news is I got all my falls on. Asshole. Oh yeah. Asshole. Deep asshole. Yeah, this is fucking exercise. I thought you could sit on the bike and ride around.
Fairly long hill.
Oh, I got sideways, but saved it. Oh. And then I stopped anyway. I got up on the bank. That's what keeps happening.
Oh, geez. I looked to the side and almost ran into a stump.
Don't do that.
And trail, road crossing, I mean.
Oh, fuck yeah. It's easier the other way.
Woo! Which way to the car?
This way.
I could use a little hydration.
Yeah. God damn, we only went this far. First trail, 3 falls. I gotta keep a score, like 3-0. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, our first beginner trail was, shall we say, sorry, not beginner, we shouldn't say that. They're called easiest difficulty? Something like that?
That was a very difficult beginner trail.
Yeah, that was some bullshit. It probably wouldn't be that bad if it wasn't so damn muddy, but these tires, and I've read a lot of things about these stock tires. I know this sounds like a big-ass excuse, but about them washing out, not making it so you can't turn. And that was really where I was getting in trouble was trying to turn on anything remotely slippery. And then they ball up pretty easily. So front tire in particular, I've read bad things about. So I feel like I'm experiencing that a little today. I don't have the sweet, expensive, awesome off-road tires that Ducfan has. How did you get so fucking far ahead of me? Because you ride like a grandmother? Oh, well, but only on gravel. Then on the dirt or on the trails, you're way better than me. So I have to talk shit right now to cover up my own inadequacies. Here's one. Just go off right here. Called Culvert Trail. there's some trees down there in the way. Wow, I mean, if you're a bitch, 6 should be right in here somewhere. There it is. To the left, yeah, not right there into that giant ass hole. Jesus, yeah, go over that.
Oh, let me see this.
Go for it, Ducfan.
Holy
Okay,
fuck.
yeah, if you're gonna take it,
Fork?
I don't know, but if you're gonna take it, you need to do it with me watching. That is heinous. Like, it's a jump, but there's nowhere to land and nowhere to get a run up, which is probably why all that tree shit is there, because I bet people used to jump it onto the road. Look at this shit in front of us. How is this a fucking easy trail?
Is there another big hole on the other side of that?
Yeah.